Hey, this is Steve with Breck DIY. I'm going to show you guys how to fix your turntable that either may not be working or, like mine, is working but is starting to make a weird noise. This is your device right here. This is your turntable piece. I got mine on Amazon for, I think it was like $18. I'll put a link below. Here's the box here. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. The very first thing we're going to do is obviously unplug. So we have two wires that we have to disconnect. The next step we're going to do is we've got a few screws underneath here around this whole perimeter to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. I've already turned the power off, so here we go. Alright, now let's say the whole thing drops down. And your motor is right here. Now in my style, it's actually two wires that are plugged in together. Sorry, it's a little dark. Some of them are split though. So what I'm going to do is pull this whole thing off. Like so. Got both wires in there. So on my design, I've got one little screw here to remove, and the whole thing will drop down. And it'll be simple enough to pop the new one in and connect the wires, put the screw back, and that's all it is. Here's the little screw. Now just repeat the process. There's a little slot over here. That the blade sits into, and the screw goes on the other side. Alright, so she's back home. Now I'm going to reconnect the wire. See if I can give you a close up. The wire is reconnected. Now we'll turn the power back on and verify that is good to go before putting everything back together. So now that we got the motor back in, we're going to go ahead and turn this thing on for a little bit. To verify the turntable is actually turning, in which it is. So we're going to go ahead and put this back up and put all of our screws back in, and we're done. is how we put everything back together. Thanks for watching my video. This was Steve with Breck DIY. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.